Hello guys. Today the LeetCode problem is copy list with random pointer number 138. Here in this problem we are given a linked list that contains a value and the pointer to the next node and a random pointer that may points towards a random node. This is the given linked list. We have to create a deep copy of this list. Deep copy is nothing but the original and the copy should not share a same reference. It should have separate memory. It should have separate memory. It both do not share the same reference. That is a deep copy. Okay. Let's see the solution. Actually, initially I wrote a solution in ON square time. If you want, you can refer. I'm slowly scrolling. And then let's see the optimal solution. That's not optimal. Let's take ON square time complexity. This is the optimal solution. Let's see what we are doing in the optimal solution. Let's take, this is the original linked list given. This is the value. This is the random pointer pointing towards null. And this is the next pointer pointing towards the next node. Here the value is 8. Here the random is pointing towards the first node. And the next is pointing towards the next node. Here the value is 6. The random is pointing towards the second node. And the next is null. Okay. This is the original list. We have to create a copy of this linked list. Deep copy. They both don't share the reference. For this, what I'm doing is I'm creating a map, hash map. That hash map entries are node and node. I iterate over the original linked list. This is the original linked list means I'm iterating every node until null. This is the loop doing here. And while iterating, I am putting this node reference here as the key, and the value is this node's value. I am storing its value in the hash map. Okay, until iteration. Now, at the end of this iteration, what happens is I store this node reference in the hash map and the value of this in the value field of the hash map. And this entire node in the key field of the hash map, and in the value I store this node, and in the key this entire one, and in the value I store this. It's like I do until null in the original list. Okay. After this, I want this random and next pointer, right? Deep copy means this next shouldn't point towards this next, and this random shouldn't refer to this null. It should have separate, don't share its reference. That's the point here. So what I'm doing here is I am pausing this one and getting this node as the result. I'm storing that node. That's what I'm doing here. And then what I'm doing is I'm pausing this nodes next. Okay, this nodes next means this one I'm pausing. Then what's the value I will get? I will get this value, right? Then I will get this value, right? Then what I do is I will point this node. I'm already stored this one in node node a variable, and I will point that's next, this next. And then what I am doing, I am paused that initial nodes, first nodes random, and I will get initial nodes random is what? Null. So nothing here. Let's see next node. In this iteration, in the second iteration, I will pause this node, and I will get this one, and I store in some variable. And then what I pause is this nodes next. This I pause, and I will get this, and I will point its next towards this. That's what I am doing here. I pause the current nodes next into the map as the key, and I will get our copy node. Then I will point towards this. Okay, And next I am passing this nodes random. This nodes random is what this one to the map, and I get the value this, and I point its random towards this. Okay, I get easily, because when I pass this I will get this, so I can easily point this towards this one. Like this we continue for the last one. Then we will get a deep copy. Okay, then when I pass the head to this, I will get the initial copy node, this one, and I am returning that to this port.